The next few minutes will change your life. Everyone has dreams, but the one thing that stops them is their own self-beliefs. Do you want to achieve your goals, wishes, dreams, and expectations in life? Do you want to be the one person in your family that wants to set the new standard? Have you ever wanted to start a business, lose weight, go on your dream holiday, or achieve financial freedom, but just could not do it no matter how hard you try? Well, those days have about to change. We're about to share with you a simple and powerful coaching system that will ensure you will become the person you've always wanted to be and finally fulfill everything you've ever wanted to. Welcome to the Incredible You Coaching System. Over the next few minutes, you'll discover a system that will transform you as a person in under 10 weeks. Pay attention, your life is about to change. Most people work hard day and night to do the best for their families, but just fail. Over time, they settle for a mediocre life and simply quit on their dreams. Have you ever heard of stories of ordinary people that became super successful? People who were poor but achieved financial freedom? Ever heard of Kenny Trout? The founder of Excel Communications paid his way through college by selling life insurance, who's now worth $7 billion. Or Starbucks' Howard Schultz. He grew up in a housing complex for the poor and is now worth $2 billion. There's more. Born into poverty, Oprah Winfrey became the first African-American TV correspondent, now worth $3 billion. Larry Ellison dropped out of college after his adoptive mother died, and he held odd jobs for 8 years, now worth $41 billion. That's proof that it's possible. These people have shown that it works. Now it's time for you to take your life to the next level. The Incredible You system is an amazing way for you to change the way you think about your dreams. It's a step-by-step, 10-week coaching system that produces real results. This system is not like anything you've seen before. It's new, it's powerful, and it works every single time. Now you can finally achieve anything you want to. It's time to make life incredible. It's time to become the Incredible You. The Incredible You is different. Normal coaching or training only helps for a short time, and most people go back to the same way they used to be. Over time, they convince themselves that nothing can change. Well, everything can change if it's done right. Imagine a 10-week journey that works deep into your mind to change your limiting behaviors and your limiting beliefs permanently. This is not the fake positive thinking movement. This is real change in just 10 weeks. Let's see how the Incredible System works. Each week, your Incredible You certified coach will take you through the system step by step using proven processes that will help you discover who you are, what you want, and how you can achieve it. Each coach is trained to produce results and produce them fast. So if you want to be wealthy, lose weight, improve your love life, or make friends, then this program is for you. Week 1 and 2, we go through your inner DNA, a revolutionary way to discover what drives you, the foundation of who you are. This will allow you to understand what your baselines are. Baselines help you make the right choices, what work you should do, who you can get along with, and plan your destiny. Your coach will help you discover your unique baselines so that you can start building your future. Once you discover this, we go to the next stage. Week 3 and 4 is where the magic happens. You will use the same process that all successful people use to achieve greatness. Imagine discovering your inner wiring diagram. We call it integrated power coding. Integrated power coding is a process that helps you understand how you've been wired and how negative codes are embedded in your brain. And this causes most people to have a roller coaster life. Over time, your thoughts become codes, and these codes will drive you to massive success or massive failure. Not anymore. Our system will code you to success and then see massive results. You'll be amazed. Have you ever met someone who has less skills than you, is not as smart as you, yet seems to have the Midas Touch? Everything they touch just works. It's so annoying. But do you know why? Their baselines and coding are in alignment with their dreams and actions. Week 5 and 6 will get you to dream. It's time to set your defined outcomes. Time to actually start to know what you really want and set deadlines using Outcomes Plus. Outcomes excite, motivate, and inspire you to take action and and push your limits, you will effortlessly start achieving your true outcomes and like no other goal-setting programs. Your coach will take you through our Power Leaps process and hold your hand through this simple yet powerful part of the Incredible You coaching system. Your income will skyrocket, or lose the weight you've always wanted to, or simply reignite your love life. This is where your dreams become a reality. Are you ready to take the power leap? Let's move to the next stage. Week 6 and 7 take you through our Unleash You process. You will destroy any obstructions that may come in the way of your outcomes and discover what kind of impact your friends and other people you spend time with have on you. You will clear all future obstacles in advance. It's like a roadmap with clear, defined roads, with nothing to stop you reaching where you truly want. Don't forget, your Incredible You coach will take you through this. You're never on your own. We will ensure you don't quit, just like most people do. We're almost there. The final leap for you to become the incredible person you've always wanted to. Week 9 and 10 is about putting your successful blueprint together. Yes, you heard right. A personalized blueprint that's just for you. You will walk away with everything aligned. No more "can I do it?" No more "what if I fail?" This is the final destination to start your new life. Your baselines, inner DNA, power leaps unleash you and are all put together in a powerful blueprint. This is the same system all the big names use. And for the first time in history, it's your chance to use the same incredible system. Simply register, commit to 2 hours per week over 10 weeks, and that's it. All the tools are ready. Your coach is ready. Are you? 10 weeks to a new life. Get started now and live the life you've always wanted. Time to become the Incredible You.